Hi, I'm Mark from Tenna. One of the most important pieces in your fleet, your wheel loader. What would most companies do? Well, with the slap and track approach that most companies take, they throw a tracker on it, get location, maybe some hours, and call it a day. We take a much more comprehensive approach. We take a Tenna mini plug-in tracker, and of course, we would be getting GPS location, getting engine hours, but we want to be really strategic. We want to take this piece of equipment, be able to set up different things on the software platform, get a preventative maintenance schedule to make sure that the hours of service are recorded, and we're also tracking utilization of this piece, not only in terms of overall usage, but also how's that being utilized on site. So we've established that the Tenna mini plug-in is the perfect solution to make sure you get all the visibility that you need on this wheel loader. But we take a much more comprehensive view. It's not just about the wheel loader, we also like to think about all the component parts that wheel loader is going to interact with and how that relates to the asset.
Absolutely, Mark. Now we've determined what type of tracker is suitable for the wheel loader. We want to determine how to track the attachments. Anything from your buckets, your blades, and also your rakes. So we actually use what we call a BLE puck that gets welded to whatever attachment that you need, and we'll be able to autonomously pick up those attachments to understand where those attachments are at any given time.
This is the way we look at asset management. It's not asset tracking. We're taking into account the wheel loader and all the attachments, and you're getting all this on one platform. Tenna, find more.